Mabuhay! I'm Shinil Reyes and you're watching Shinil's channel. Annyeonghaseyo, 여러분! So today is a reaction video for Twice. This is for my girls. Yes, I'm very happy pa kasi we are approved for a Korea visa. We will go to South Korea! So, ayun lang. Very late na ako mag-upload today. Late na ako nagising. Plus, chinek ko pa yung aking result sa Korea visa. Kaharap na natin ngayon ang aking laptop. And tara nang mag-react. Agad-agad. Yung ano ba yung last time nila? Strategy ba yun? Yan. Hindi ko siya nasayaw kasi nga nahihirapan ako. Alam niyo bang hirap na hirap ako sa girls choreo? Kasi I don't have that parang maarte moves. I'm more on boy group choreo na hip-hop. Pero hindi mukha, no? Mukhang cutie-cutie lang yung step na alam ko. Pero, if you're a follower, if you follow me on TikTok and here on YouTube, yung napanood yung shorts ko, I dance boy group hip-hop more than girl group choreos. Kasi sobrang hirap ng girls, promise. Okay, let's go. And again, to those asking na no sound, I will just lower the volume because to prevent copyrights and blocked from the company, the label, so you can all watch still my reaction all around the world. So, okay, let's start na. I'm so talkative. Let's go! This is 4. Una pa lang gaganda. It's for the girls. Gaganda nyo. Uy, parang sa ABCD. ABCD. Nakanta ni Nayon yung outfit. Prada girl. Jong yan. Gusto ko yung outfit ni Jong. Wala, yan na naman tayo sa Korea na ganito. May onni. Ang dami nasasabi ka-vibes ko si Dayon. Ka-vibes, okay, ka-vibes. Ganda. Sobrang mature na talaga ng mga songs nila. Wala, ang ganda. Parang gusto ko yung style ni Dayon. Ganda. Momoni. Wala, yun na yun. Girl, that's it. I want more. So, yan. That's it. Ano lang yun pala? Ilang minutes lang. Parang 2 minutes yata. So, this is for by Twice. This is for the ladies. So, super sexy ng Twice. The presence. Alam mo yun? Performer talaga. Pero they're not baby girls anymore. Siyempre, the song changes. Pero kahit na they're old na, I hope for pa rin yung parang the early days of Twice, yung cheer up baby, cheer up baby. Okay, Titi, Titi, So kung mag-release pa rin sila niyan soon, but I know na medyo change na yung kanilang genre. Pero I think it suits Twice pa rin kahit pa i-retain nila yung cute concept. Pero bagay pa rin talaga yung sexy din. Sexy concept, mature, ganyan. Pero I'm missing the cute concept. Kailan ba yung last cute nila? Scientist ba yun? Di ko alam kasi. Kasi hindi na ako recently, hindi na ako masyadong nagda-dance ng girl group choreo songs. Kasi nahirapan nga ako. Like what I've said. This is a very short reaction video and stream to This Is 4 by Twice. And, ayun, abangan nyo ang aking Korea vlogs soon. So, follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want travel vlogs, I have travel vlogs here. Just click my playlist, nandun lahat ng mga travel vlogs ko. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on my next video.